Hello again, and welcome to Central Jersey Pools. My name is Elliot, and today I would love to highlight our new renovated showroom. We have over 20,000 square feet of space. We have 35 different models across 8 brands. Follow me, let me show you around. So in the front showroom, we have a lot of our Nordics and we have a lot of our Artesian brands. As we get towards the back, we're going to highlight some swim spas as well. We have a hot tub or a swim spa that's right for anybody. We have budgets. Our least expensive hot tub starts at $49.99 and they can go as high as $20,000. We do also offer 12 months interest-free financing based on approval, of course. And right now we are in our newly renovated back room. This is our Saratoga line. So we have a full line of Saratoga hot tubs. They're exceptional for people that are a little bit taller because they are a little bit higher than the traditional hot tub. And then as we're making our way back here, this is our swim spa line. So we do have 4 different brands of swim spas, 38 different variations. We have the 19-foot combo. Smallest swim spa is about 12 feet. But come on down and come see us and I'll be more than happy to assist. Once again, my name is Elliot and thank you for the opportunity.